Okay, I know that you are eagerly anticipating getting done these things, and so this example doesn't take very long if you remember the two previous similarity shortcuts, so you don't have to do everything. So let me get in here, and I can use my pointer then, and so we're doing example 8 here, and it says, are the triangles below similar? Why or why not? Let's look at the first set of triangles here. And what I found is, okay, so one of the similarity ones, there were two that we had. Oh, I just have to change it to a pen. I just forgot to. I will go like that and change it to a pen. Well, one of the things, and it's working, so one of the things is we need to compare all three sets of sides, then we'll know if they're similar. So what I should do is compare the short side in this triangle to the short side in this triangle. And then I should compare the medium side to the medium side. Then I should compare the long side to the long side. So make sure when you're comparing the shapes that you always go short to short, medium to medium, long to long when you make your proportionality statements, and then you'll know if it's true. So you can do a scale factor, or you can do a scale factor, or you can just check the ratio of the sides. So we're going to start in the big triangle, and 8 on the small side, AB, corresponds to 6 DE. And if we want to do the green ones, now we're going to do, which is BC, is on the big triangle. That side is the medium side. It corresponds to the medium side on the small one, the green 9, or FE. And the last one is the big sides in blue. So 16 AC on the big triangle, and DF is 12. Okay? And remember, we're checking that these are all equal. Okay? So what does this reduce to? Well, this reduces to 4/3. What does this reduce to? What divides into 12? 3, and 9, 3. So that would also be 4/3. So that's good check. We just have to make sure the other one does. Divide by 4 and divide by 4. That would be 4/3, and check. And since they all are, these triangles are similar by side, 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 triangle congruency, triangle similarity. See, the mistake is easy to make. Don't mistake congruency with similarity. Okay? So this is the reason why it's similar, by side, side, side. The sides are in proportion. You could have said 8 times what gives you 6, 12 times what gives you 9, 16 times what gives you 12, and in all those cases it's 3/4, and you could have done it that way as well, said they all have the same scale factor, so they're in proportion. Okay, so let's check the next set of triangles. Well, we don't have 3 sets, so I'm going to get rid of some of that stuff there. So I'm just going to erase all that. Okay, and we'll look at the second set here. Okay, on the second set here. Okay, so what we got here is we got a set of sides. Okay, and let's go. We don't know. Well, we know these are this is the small, medium, small, and medium, because we know hypotenuse is along the side. So we'll just look at that, and then we've got the right angle in between them. So we already have a set of A's. So I know I already have A right now. So let's check these. Is 24, which is the short side of the big triangle here, corresponds to 18, the short side of the small triangle. When I divide it by the other side, 28, down here to the one down there, are they the same? So you can cross multiply and check, or you can reduce the fraction. Well, I know that 4 goes into both of these. This is 6/7, and I know that 3 goes into both of these, which is 6/7, and we know that's true. We were checking if that was true. We know that's true, so we know that we have, this is a set of sides. There's an S. And then this is a set of sides here. And the angle is in between those. So it's an SAS similarity triangle shortcut. So that set is by SAS. So you're looking, it's very similar to doing congruency, except that you have to check that the fractions that correspond reduce to the same, or the scale factor. 24 times what gives you 18. So that would be times 6/7 and 20, or excuse me, and then 20. That was not 6/7, and then 28 times what gives you 21. Okay, that's it for that one.